One of the great things about Wyoming at night is usually the wind stops. It might start again in the middle of the night, but 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, it's so calm. Look at that banana tree growing in Wyoming. So it's a perfect time to just walk around your yard, check things out. I love the stillness. Over here is my nursery of my apple trees. I'm not sure you'll be able to see them even. Too dark, they're asleep. Let's creep around and see what we can find. If you have slug problems, this is the perfect time to go out with a flashlight. This is the back patio. When I come around the corner, there'll be a little more light. And here we are in the big patio. I have a few lights that just shine all the time. Let's look at the potatoes that I was growing in the bags. They're beauties. And what's this? It's a popcorn plant. Yeah, like those ones I grow in Arizona. But I'm really impressed about growing the potatoes lengthwise in the bags. Not up and down or not flat, but lengthwise. Some more popcorn plants. They should probably flower for me, I would guess, mid-August. But it's a beautiful time in the garden. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. And I will see you tomorrow for some videos.